In today's video, I'll show you how to zoom images in PowerDirector. So let's get started. So here we are in PowerDirector and we have our sample image right here. So now if you would want to add zoom, there are a lot of ways on how you could do that. So first off is by selecting the image and then go into edit. And from here, you can go into position, size, or flip. And then you can basically just go and increase the scale right here, or you could just drag this white dots right here, and then you'd be able to increase that. And as you can see right here, we have now zoomed in on the photo. So that's one of the ways that you could do this. Now, another way is that you could keyframe it. So there would be a zooming animation. So you could do that by going again into clicking into your clip, go into keyframes this time. And now you just want to go into the position right here. So we don't want these colors. You want this clip attributes. And now from here, you want to make sure that your playhead is at the part where you would want the zoom in animation to begin. Like for example, at the beginning. And then now you would want to go here into position and make sure that you click here on the keyframe to start your first keyframe. So now that we have our first keyframe, the next thing is that we are going to go keyframe the height and width right here. So make sure that you click here on this keyframe button. And now once you would now have both that keyframe, you want to move frames forward or seconds forward, let's say right here. And I would want it to be zoomed in by this much. And then you could also adjust the position right here so that you would have the subject in the right frame. So as for this one, I'm going to go here in the position, and actually I'm just going to go and customize this. So I'm going to go and do it like that. So the face is visible right there. I think that's good. And now when I go back and play it, it will now have like this. So as you can see, there is the zoom animation right there. Or even easier way to do this is basically you can just go here into effects and then go into video effects, and then you could go into motion, and then you have the zoom in effect right here on the motion right here. So it's this one. So you could go and drag that into your clip, and then you would have that zoom in, or you could go for zoom out if you'd want to. So that's it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.